Hey, Floyd, you ain't the only one. Told you, boy, give me my nut. Boy, I'm big out here, boy.
I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Man, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I got my pilots and my pilot. Hey.
What's up?
Hey. I ain't gonna show you pretty boy. I ain't show you pretty boy over here. See, he married already. They took him off the market. Well, my man right here is available. He gonna be partying with me tonight. We going to Memphis. Oh my God. Oh, we chilling, you know. How many feet are we right now?
We're at 10,000 feet.
We're 10,000 feet. Oh my God. Why is it taking you so long to get there? Oh shit, look at this, look at this. So we're gonna get to heaven before we get to heaven.
That's right.
Yeah, it's your boy 50. I'm headed out to Memphis. We're gonna see what that's like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and shoot over to Dallas. I'm running around today. Oh, we're gonna turn up out in Dallas.